Welcome back, fellow explorers. Today I'm super excited because I'll be unboxing my first action camera, the DJI Action 4. There are many companies that sell the action cameras. We have the DJI and we have the GoPro. GoPro has the latest camera, which is GoPro Hero 12. And the DJI, right now they have the DJI Action 5. But this one is Action 4. My preference between the GoPro company and the DJI company, I chose DJI because of various reasons. First of all, it is the ability of this camera to record videos in low light. In case I need other accessories like the external microphone, I can still use the DJI microphone and other accessories. So that's why I chose the DJI company for my action camera. This is how the package looks like. It comes with extension rod, 3 batteries, and a battery case. The extension rod is 1.5 meters. As you can see, this is DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. You can get a standard action camera, which is just the camera alone, and then there are various combinations. There is mountain cycling combination, there is road cycling combination, diving, surfing, hiking, fishing, and so many. But for me, I chose the adventure combo because of the kind of content that I create. For adventure combo, it comes with all this. Let's unwrap it. Here's what's inside the camera and the accessories. I've been creating content using my phone, but right now I need a change because using a phone while recording has some challenges. For example, recording in public. Sometimes it's uncomfortable recording in public. You create attention like using your phone to record. The camera is so small, it doesn't create attention while recording in public. This camera has image stabilization compared to phone. The phone will give you some shaky images, but this camera has some inbuilt stabilization, which makes the quality of your videos to be good. This camera is also water resistant. You can dive up to 18 meters, but you cannot use your phone to record in places where there is water or in places where it will get in contact with water. Here is the rod. It can extend up to 1.5 meters. And then it has a nice grip on this handle. Then this is where you do the screws to attach your mount. Let's check the camera. This is the camera case. This is a curved mount. We have the screws. We have a smaller mount. You see the size of this camera? You can't create attention while using it in public. It's so small. But the phone is too big. It creates so much attention while recording in public. The front screen, the back touch screen, the power button. This is where you put the battery. Then this is where you mount. It's magnetic. The quick release. The magnet is so strong. Let's now check the accessories. Type-C cable. There's another mount. It has a very strong magnet. If you want to release, you just press these two here and it comes out. The lens protector, if this one is damaged, you can replace it with this lens protector. This is the battery case with the batteries. So you have the 3 batteries. The charging port. So this can also act as a power bank. So you can still charge your battery with this case on the go. So it's very convenient, especially if you're traveling. So I'm supposed to activate before use. To put the camera in the case, you pull this lever, create more space, and then you place the camera, then you lock it. Let's attach this mount on the stick. And then you screw it. Here's the camera. This is where you attach the camera to the mount, or this other part. When you put this camera in the wrong direction, it will repel. Like right now it can't connect, it's repelling because it's not in the right direction. But if you put it in the right direction, it will just connect automatically. You can change the direction. If you want to record this way, there you go. And it's easy to detach. This other mount is put on helmets. So this is a sticky part. When you remove this wrap, it has some sticky element. You put it on a helmet and then you connect your camera depending on how you want to record. Let me charge the battery so that I can set it up. This is the Action 4 DJI. That's it about the DJI Action 4. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure video.